everyone, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be talking about Elijah's 6-month update. So there's a lot that's been happening, but one consistent thing that I'm really enjoying is that he's still sleeping through the night. He had a 4-month sleep regression. Now it's all back to normal. I think by the time he was 5.5 months, everything was normal. He's sleeping through, and yeah, I'm enjoying that. That's the most important thing. Praise the Lord, thank God for that. So he is sitting. He's sitting very confidently at the moment. He is eating his solid foods. My last video is introducing. The last video I did was on introducing Elijah to solids. He loves his solids so much so that I've had to be giving him only to reduce them because he was eating more solids than he was drinking milk. So yeah, and we haven't found any allergies yet. And he is beginning to dance as well to music, which is great. And yeah, he is crying. He's been crying ever since he was born. He is ready. He is ready to start crawling. And at the moment he's doing some commando crawling on the ground. You leave him on one spot, you find him in another. He loves to pull. Sorry, Olivia-Grace. He likes to pull his sister's hair, as you can see. He pulls it. You hear everybody in this house saying, ow, ow, ow. And usually the person who's making us say ow is usually Elijah Wood. He pulls his dad's hair, he pulls my hair, he scratches. Olivia-Grace is bad, he does scratches. I'm constantly cutting his nails. His nails keep growing. And he can roll. He rolls like a ninja, rolling from side to side, from back to front, front to back. He's doing it all. And yeah, and then he does these little things like he's trying to lift up, like push-ups. That he does. Olivia-Grace, can you remind Mama the other things that Elijah is doing?
He's been flying pizza. He likes to be touching the camera, the car, everything. He likes to be.
What else does he do?
Touching the things that are not toys, not his. Touch the house. You know. He has been scratching.
He's been scratching.
Jumping and I told you this. He likes to eat.
Yes, he does like to eat.
He likes to touch.
He likes to touch.
He likes to, like things that belong to me and Mom and Dad. Yeah, those are the things I wanted to tell you, but nothing else. Don't really step one.
Elijah loves his bath, and sometimes he doesn't even want to get out of the bath. He just loves to do this thing in the bath. And of course, he's cute. He's as cute can be. We enjoy having him. We enjoy playing with him. He's just a sweet baby, and he's a good baby, and he's always smiling. So that is great. That is awesome. And we're just blessed to have such a healthy, happy baby boy. But the cutest thing, the newest thing he's been doing is the dancing. It makes me laugh all the time. Each time he dances, I just think it's the cutest thing ever. Very cute. Yeah.